In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Lucidchart to Word. We'll be taking a diagram from Lucidchart, downloading it as an image file, and then placing it into a Word document so you can position it exactly where you want. This is a simple process, and once you've done it once, it becomes very quick to repeat whenever you need to include a chart, flowchart, or diagram in a document. To begin, open the Lucidchart diagram you want to export to Word. Make sure you're inside the editor and viewing the correct file before moving on, especially if you have multiple diagrams in your workspace. Once you're in the editor, look toward the left side of the top menu bar and click the hamburger icon. From there, hover over Export and then choose the file type you want to use. In most cases, PNG, JPEG, or SVG are the best options. For this example, we're using PNG since it's a reliable format that works well in Word and usually keeps the diagram looking clear. After selecting the format, a new page will open with a preview of your diagram. On the right-hand panel, you'll see a few export settings you can adjust. You can change the file format if needed, choose crop options, adjust the quality, and decide whether to enable page fill. These settings can help if you want a cleaner image or better fit inside your Word document. Once everything looks right, click Download in the top right corner and then wait for the file to finish downloading to your computer. Next, open the Word document where you want to place the Lucidchart diagram. Click in the area of the document where you want the diagram to appear. This is helpful because Word will usually insert the image near the spot where your cursor is placed. Now go to the Insert tab in the ribbon at the top, then click Pictures. Your computer's file browser will open. Find the Lucidchart diagram you just downloaded, select it, and press Enter on your keyboard to insert it into the document. Once the image appears in Word, you'll see that the diagram has been added to your file. From here, you can use the resize handles around the image to make it larger or smaller. You can also drag it to reposition it if you want it to sit better alongside your text or on a different part of the page. Taking a moment to adjust the size can make the final document look much cleaner and more professional. And that's it. You've successfully exported a Lucidchart diagram and added it to Microsoft Word.